Come to Tax Academy. Here in Tax Academy, we focus on only few selected domains of IT. Cybersecurity is one of them. Cybersecurity itself when you say cybersecurity, it's a broad term. Cybersecurity does not cover only processes or the risk assessment or something. Cybersecurity has huge, huge, take in the technology world. Technology world, when I say that, personally, what I feel is that cybersecurity as a domain should be classified into two different, subdomains. One should be cybersecurity as a process and cybersecurity as a technology. So when we say cybersecurity as a technology, you know what I what I feel that most of the organizations and people think that, okay, when we say cybersecurity is technology, just use a product and that's all. This is mindset we have. I mean, but just think, just take an example. When you say cybersecurity as a product, okay, I used a product, now I'm protected. But there are multiple other aspects as well. It is in recent days we settle war-like situations and war escalations, and we also in recent days there are a number of news comings that this country is sanctioning this product. This product is this country is not allowed to use this software product. Software products suddenly stop working for certain organization. So when we say that, okay, we are dependent, when as a country we think we can't be dependent on some external software for our cybersecurity needs all the times, because in the war-like situation, what will happen if that country put pressures on the organization who developed that cybersecurity product, or they put some kind of, they have that company have all the datas of that particular organization of country, or then they provide that data to the other countries in the war-like situation. So we say that, okay, when we think about cybersecurity, just think as a plain way that, okay, there are IT systems, there are multiple components of IT systems, from hardware to software to networking to process, everything. So these are the components of IT systems. When we say that, okay, for example, when we say that network is transmission of data from here to there, but then in the transmission, data can be leaked, data can be compromised, data can be altered, and when these challenges come, then their answer is the protocols, in alteration of protocols, new protocols that understand these challenges, and then new protocol developed, new protocols are implemented to protect you from that challenges. So these aspects, as a cybersecurity professional, it's not, being a cyber professional, not like clicking here and there and getting a report and then say, okay, I'm an expert. Come on, this is not cybersecurity. This is just you are an operator of a certain product. If you are a cybersecurity professional, you need to learn basics. You need to learn why cybersecurity product even needed. What are the challenges? And when we use a system, a lot of challenges are inherent of that system. So for example, challenges means, say that, okay, if you are driving on a road, challenges, you can have a collision. So these are the challenges. Now, answer to those challenges or remedies of those challenges, that's you cover in the field of cybersecurity. It starts with the threats, and answers come with the remediations. protections, risk assessment. So, as a cybersecurity professional, if you want to build a career or you want to enhance a career, go learn the basics. This not needed at organizations level, this needed at country level as well. In coming days, um, threats will increase. The reason is that uh, human race is, getting heavily dependent on IT systems nowadays, and it will increase in coming days, in coming times. And the area where IT were not used, now those areas also, you know, getting enabled through IT. So new challenges will come, new threats will come, and to protect the systems, to protect the process, to protect the country, to protect the organization, peoples are needed who have basic understanding, who know not only the products but the things. So for example, I'm just take an example. If you are just clicking here and there, getting some report, you're not understanding that report, you're sharing that report, developer say this, that, you're limiting yourself, you're limiting yourself. And product companies will, comes with more certifications, more, discounts. The reason being that they don't want you to learn, they want their product to drive the IT security, they don't want people to drive the IT security. But sometimes knowledge of people is very important. The team, the person who's driving that thing is very important. Today